Chemistry deals with atoms and molecules and the results obtained containing large number of digits. Say 20 digits are possible in a number or 25, then it is not easy for a chemist to convert this, and that is why we have to study scientific notation. So if we have a result in which there are 15 or 20 digits present, then it is not easy for any chemist to convert it or to express this result in a proper manner. To overcome with this difficulty, we need to understand scientific notation. What is scientific notation? If we take example of 2400, then scientifically it can be denoted as 2.4 into 10 raised to 3. 2.4 into 10 raised to 3. If we have 0.012, then we can write it as 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is scientific notation of 0.012. 0.000125 can be denoted as 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 4. So these are, again we can say, scientific notation of this type of numbers. But in chemistry, even bigger than this type of numbers are obtained, and that is why scientific notation knowledge is compulsory. Now we will understand mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on scientific notation. This can be done on scientific notation. First we will understand addition of scientific notation. Say we have two scientific notation, 2.5 into 10 raised to 5 plus 1.5 into 10 raised to 5. Then these two scientific notations can be added by simple manner, 2.5 plus 1.5 into 10 raised to 5. So we will get 4 into 10 raised to 5. Same way, subtraction. Take two scientific notation, 2.5 into 10 raised to 7 minus 1.5 into 10 raised to 7. Then we can do subtraction operation, 2.5 minus 1.5 into 10 raised to 7. So we will get 1 into 10 raised to 7. Same way multiplication. If we have 1 into 10 raised to 7 into 0.1 into 10 raised to 8, 1 into 10 raised to 7 and 0.1 into 10 raised to 8, then this can be simply multiplied by using 1 into 10 raised to 7, and this we can write 0.1 into 10 raised to 8 means 1 into 10 raised to 7 only. So 1 into 1 will be 1. So again our answer will be 10 raised to 7. Division also. We have 1.5 into 10 raised to 9 and 3 into 10 raised to 7. So these two scientific notation can easily be divided by 1.5 2s are 3. So we will get 1 half and into 10 raised to 9 minus 7. So 0.5 into 10 raised to 2. We will get 0.5 into 10 raised to 2. That is 1 half into 10 raised to 2. So we can write 0.5 or simply 5 into 10 raised to 1. So we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on scientific notations. Now we will study significant figures. Before we study significant figures, we need to understand precision and accuracy. Because the result obtained, they have uncertainty. And because of uncertainty, first we have to understand about precision and accuracy. To understand precision and accuracy, let's take experiment in which the result comes out to be 3.00 gram and three students, student A, student B and student C, obtain different results. Say student A obtained result 2.94 gram and 2.95 gram. From this value, we can say that student A results are precise but not accurate. Result obtained by student A is precise because the values are nearly close, and that is why it is precise but not accurate. So before we study about student B, we should understand precision is near to closeness and accuracy is agreement with or agreement to a certain value. So student A result is precise but not accurate. Now for student B, if his result comes out to be 3.01 and 2.99 gram, 2.9 gram. So result of student B, we can say it is precise as well as accurate also. We can say precise as well as accurate. Now for student C, if the result is coming out to be 3.05 gram and 2.94 gram, then for student C, we can say that result is neither precise nor accurate. Now, our result should be in significant figures. So, before we study significant figures, we have to understand the rules related to significant figures. As I mentioned that our result should be with precise or accuracy. To understand precise and accuracy, we have also to understand significant figures. There are some rules for significant figures. Rule number 1. All non-zero digits are taken as significant figures. Take example 25. Here 2 and 5 both are significant. That is why we can say that this number 25 has two significant figures. 535, 5, 3 and 5 all are significant. So we can say it has three significant figures. Now rule number 2. 0 preceding first non-zero digit is not taken as significant figure. Take example of 0.03. Here only 3 is significant. Only 3 is taken as significant figures. So we can say that number 0.03 has only one significant figure. But third rule, according to this rule, all zeros present between non-zero digits are significant figures. Take example of 3.004. Here 3, 0, 0 and 4. All 4 digits are significant. All 4 digits are significant digits. Now another rule. Rule number 4. 0 present on right hand side. 0 present on right hand side of decimal place. 0 present on the right hand side of a decimal place is considered as significant figure. 0.03, we can take another example, 3.00, then 0 present on the right hand side of decimal place is considered as significant figures. So here we have 3 significant figures. Once more, 0 present on the right hand side of a decimal place is considered as significant figure. 3.00, here we have 3 significant figures. Beside with that, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of significant figures are possible. Before we study addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, one more thing we have to remember in our mind, that while writing a number like 2 pens or 20 bananas, we have to remember that 2 and here 20 have infinite significant figures. So both can be written as, means we can put infinite number of significant figures. Here also we can put infinite significant figures. Now, suppose in addition of different significant figures, if answer is coming out to be, say 3 significant figures, X, Y and Z, they are added. and answer is coming out to be 31.122, then to round off this, we have to write it as 31.1. If out of x, y and z must contain out of x, y and z has only three significant figures, then the rule is applied. As I mentioned, we cannot write 31.122, but we have to write 31.1 only. 31.1 only. Another thing which we need to understand is, while we write multiplication of two numbers, say 2.5 into 1.5 or 1.25, 2.5 into 1.25, result is 3.125, then we have to write it as 3.1 only, 3.1 only, because in 2.5 we have only two significant figures. Out of these two significant figures, 2.5 has only two significant figures. That is why we have to write it as 3.1. Also, when we round off the significant figures answer, let's take example 3.186 is the answer of a significant figures, and we have to remove 6. Digit 6 is removed. Then preceding digit 8 should be added by 1 and it should be written as 8 plus 1, 9. So final answer will be 3.19. Final answer will be 3.19. We can say it is rounded off answer. Another possibility, if the answer is 4.334 and if we have to round off this answer, means we want to remove 4, we can write only 4.33. So we can say preceding number will remain as same as it is given. Now round off of 7.35, we can write it to be 7.4.